Today we're behind the scenes at one of our newest projects here in Jupiter. I'm going to be showing you the before and taking you through some of the changes that we're going to be making with this home. We're going to be changing the structure of the home. So we're actually expanding the primary bathroom, and we are restructuring a bunch of the walls on the interior, fully gutting everything from top to bottom. Also, we're adding a casita, we're redoing the pool, and also the entire backyard hardscape and the front as well. So this home will really look like a completely different home when we're done with it. Another big change that we're going to make in this home is this entire wall is coming down. This will open up into the kitchen and the family room and have a really nice flow into that space. We're also adding a walk-through here. So this wall will not be angled anymore, it will be straight. And so we're gonna have a pass-through to the pantry. So in the primary bathroom, this wall is actually the wall that's getting bumped out. This will leave us with is a nice big open bathroom with a huge shower, also larger closets, and then a his and her vanity space. So in the outdoor space, we are adding a summer kitchen here. We're also moving the pool more in and then adding a casita on the left-hand side. And then directly behind me is the primary suite. So this is where we're adding some French doors to come out into this lanai area. On the exterior, the front facade is getting changed. So we're changing the color, also the structure, because we're bumping the wall out over here. And then we're also adding a driveway in the front. So all of the hardscapes and landscapes will be completely changed on this house. Thanks for watching this quick tour. We wanted to show you behind the scenes of this house so that you can follow along and see the progress of this project.